Swivl-Eze Lock'N-Pin 3/4 inch pedestal package includes pedestal and base plate to install a boat seat, so all you need to add is the seat of your choice and hardware, sold separately. Brushed aluminum finish kit. Includes an 11-inch tall post topped with a black, E-coated seat mount with spring. Non-threaded post. 7-inch x 7-inch aluminum baseplate. Meets ABYC Code B standards. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as described in. I had older seat mounts on my fishing boat and was able to replace them with the Eze Lock'N-Pin. If you are looking at these and don't have existing seat mounts, just bear in mind that you have to drill a large hole for the seat mount. Also, I read reviews where the post gets stuck. I remove the posts from my seat at the end of each day, so haven't had that issue as of yet. I also took advice and used wax around the pin.